Truth has never disappeared. It has only been avoided. People do not reject truth because it is false. They reject it because it is inconvenient. Truth interrupts habits. Truth demands responsibility. Truth asks for change. Convenience, on the other hand, offers peace without effort. It wraps belief in comfort. It whispers, "You don't have to move." So people don't ask what is real. They ask what is easy to live with. Truth is heavy. Convenience is light, and humanity has always chosen what feels lighter. This is not a story about lies. It is a story about preference. Imagine a world where reality never argues with you. There was once a city built not of stone, but of reflections. Every surface was polished, every wall a mirror. But these mirrors did not show truth. They showed comfort. Citizens saw themselves stronger than they were, kinder than they acted, wiser than they behaved. The city prospered. Conflict vanished. No one felt wrong. Then one day a traveler arrived carrying a single panel of clear glass. When people looked through it, they saw fatigue, contradictions, choices they avoided. They turned away. "This glass is broken," they said. "It shows ugliness." The traveler was exiled, not for deception, but for accuracy. The mirrors did not enslave the people. They were invited. Years passed. The reflections grew brighter, reality grew faint, and when the mirrors finally cracked, the people cried betrayal. They never realized they had chosen illusion over truth every single day. Convenience is the illusion we defend the hardest. History does not forget truth. It delays it. Again and again, truth appeared early and was accepted late, not because it was unclear, but because it was disruptive. When thinkers questioned comforting beliefs, societies did not ask, "Is this true?" They asked, "What will this cost us?" New ideas threatened identity. Old hierarchies shared certainty. So truth waited. Every generation inherits truth. Few choose to carry it. Crowds preferred familiar stories over unsettling facts. They called doubt dangerous. They called certainty wisdom. Progress happened slowly, not because evidence was missing, but because acceptance was inconvenient. History reveals a pattern. Truth rarely loses the argument. It loses the vote. Only when comfort collapses does reality become acceptable. The past proves one thing clearly. Truth never needed belief to exist. In the future, truth won't be hidden. It will be filtered. Technology learns a simple rule. People engage longer with comfort than with accuracy. So reality is adjusted. Information is personalized. Contradictions removed. Discomfort softened. No lies are told. Nothing is erased. The system doesn't deceive. It optimizes. People feel calmer, more confident, less challenged. A few choose unfiltered reality. They see raw data, unpleasant patterns, hard conclusions. Most return to comfort, not because they are forced, but because truth feels lonely. The future does not ban reality. It makes it optional. Convenience will not silence truth. It will drown it in ease. This is not about society. It is about the human mind. Truth requires effort. Convenience conserves energy. Beliefs become shortcuts. They protect identity. They preserve comfort. Truth threatens who we think we are. Changing a belief feels like losing ground. Admitting error feels like failure, so the mind defends convenience aggressively. But comfort has a hidden cost. Truth hurts once. Convenience hurts slowly and permanently. Truth demands courage. Convenience demands silence. Wisdom is not intelligence. It is tolerance for discomfort. The strongest minds are not those who know more, but those willing to feel wrong longer until clarity arrives. Every belief you hold is either expanding you or preserving you. What you choose to believe decides what you become. So ask yourself this, quietly. Which of your beliefs are true and which are simply convenient? Truth will never beg for acceptance. It waits. Comfort will always invite you in. It asks nothing. Every era faces the same choice: growth or ease, clarity or comfort, truth or convenience. The world does not change when you choose truth. You do. And that change is what most people fear. People believe not what is true, but what is convenient.